really diverse, really dynamic. Products are amazing.
We've got some of the most famous brands in the world. But also, you've got those specialist vehicle manufacturers, those that might adapt vehicles, say for wheelchair, for hearses, for motorhomes.
It is cell build, as we refer to it, which is one man, one car.
It is a very experiential journey from the first time you visit the factory through to specifying the vehicle.
It's personal, it's bespoke, and I would describe the process as being transformative rather than transactional.
Combination of yesterday's skills and today's technology is a beautiful way of producing a beautiful product.
Everybody who's driven the car, every customer who's owned the car, the reaction is always wow.
What we actually manufacture, it really changes the lives of our customers.
I think we're very fortunate that we can survive the storms in any particular region in the world because we're so spread across the globe.
93% of all of our product is exported from the UK, which speaks volumes to the fact that the UK is still holding its own on a global platform.
In the UK, we're very agile, and I think in low volume, you get the chance and opportunity to really focus on what your customer needs are and actually make sure you deliver.
Everything is focused on the driver. You feel a real connection with the road.
It's all about becoming a sustainable luxury mobility provider.
One of the things we have here in the UK is a thriving, innovative manufacturing industry that is developing those supporting technologies.
There are so many great companies out there doing incredible bits of engineering, great bits of design, really amazing cars, and it's just a great place to be.